Want to permanently delete your YouTube channel in 2026? In this video, I will show you the complete step-by-step process to delete your YouTube channel forever using the latest YouTube settings. So let's get started. First, open YouTube and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now make sure that the same channel is selected that you want to delete. If it's not selected, then click on Switch Account and switch to the correct channel. Once you have confirmed the right channel is selected, then click on YouTube Studio. Now click on Settings. After that, click on Channel. Then open Advanced Settings. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Remove YouTube Content. A new screen will appear where you have to type your Gmail account password to confirm that it's really you. So type your password and click on Next. Now open the drop-down called I want to permanently delete my content. Before deleting, make sure that you carefully read the following information. Select all of the following to confirm that you understand. The following will be permanently deleted: your one subscription to other channels, comments, your replies and thumbs up, your YouTube gift settings, and your search and watch history. Any paid subscriptions that you own like YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, and channel memberships will be cancelled. Now check both of the boxes and click on Delete My Content. Another confirmation window will appear where you have to type your channel name to confirm deletion. So type your channel name here, then click on Delete My Content. Now your content is being deleted. Usually it takes a few minutes, but if you have a lot of content on your channel, then it can take up to a couple of days. And that's how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel in 2026. If this video helped you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.